Honestly, do you know if you take a hot bath, you can totally eradicate the coronavirus from your body?
Oh, really? Then I am going for the hot shower.
Guys, really? You all are going for hot shower in summer? Don't be fooled from that type of news. To know detailed knowledge about coronavirus, don't skip the video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Pharm Guider. We are your Pharm Guider, Shaumadeep.
Anushree, Shivani. In this video, we will discuss brief introduction about coronavirus, classification, morphology and pathophysiology of this virus, difference between viral infection and bacterial infection, how many drugs are under trial to treat this disease, some known and unknown facts about COVID-19, and at last some precautions to stay safe. So let's start.
At first, we shall have a brief discussion about coronavirus. This zoonotic infection, that is, the infection which is transferred from animals to humans, belong to the family of Coronaviridae and is included in the subfamily of Coronavirinae. It belongs to the genus Beta coronavirus. Viruses including this family mainly affect some vital systems of humans, birds, and other mammals like the respiratory system, the gastrointestinal tract, and the urinary system. Now, I shall discuss the morphology of coronavirus. Coronavirus is a spherical or pleomorphic enveloped particle containing single-stranded RNA associated with nucleoprotein within a capsid, comprising of matrix protein.
Coronaviruses are classified on the basis of the crown-like appearance, which is an enveloped glycoproteins. It also classified on the basis of the features of replication. Most human coronaviruses fall into one or two serotypes, like OC43 and 229E serotype.
Now, we shall discuss the pathophysiology of coronavirus. We already know that COVID-19 is produced by coronavirus. This virus is mutated from bat or pangolin to the humans. There are two ways of transmission of this virus from one human to another. Firstly, through fecal-oral route, and secondly, by respiratory droplets.
In case of fecal-oral route, the virus may spread by using the same washroom which is used by the infected person. Virus present there up to 24 hours after using the washroom by infected person.
In case of respiratory droplets, the virus spreads through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose of an infected person when he coughs or sneezes.
Now, see the mechanism of this virus after entering the respiratory system.
The coronavirus gets into the respiratory system and mainly affects the lungs, especially the alveoli, which plays an important role in case of ventilation and perfusion.
There are two types of cells are present in alveoli. One is type 1 pneumocyte and another is type 2 pneumocyte. Type 1 pneumocyte helps in gaseous exchange and type 2 pneumocyte helps to maintain the surface tension by secreting surfactant. In case of COVID-19, mainly type 2 pneumocytes are affected by this virus.
From the morphology, we have seen that this virus has spike protein, also known as S protein, which acts like a key to enter into the cytoplasm of cell. The spike protein binds with the angiotensin converting enzyme receptor 2, which is present on the cell membrane of the type 2 pneumocytes.
After binding with angiotensinogen converting enzyme receptor 2, it allows the virus to enter into the cytoplasm of type 2 pneumocytes. After entering the virus, two things occur. First, the virus uses the ribosome of the host cell for translation mRNA, that is messenger RNA, into some proteins like spike protein, capsid, etc.
It uses RNA-dependent RNA polymerase enzyme, which helps in the polymerization of ssRNA. From the translation, some proteins like in spike proteins, envelopes are produced which also help in covering the polymerized ssRNA.
By this process, the virus destroys the host cell, that is type 2 pneumocyte, and releases some cytokine which activates the macrophage and helps in releasing some specific cytokine, that is interleukin 1, interleukin 6 and TNF alpha. Interleukin is a cytokine that plays an important role in case of autoimmune response.
The releasing cytokines dilute the endothelium of blood vessels, which increases the fluid permeability. Then, the fluids move towards the alveoli from blood vessels, which produces alveolar edema. In case of alveolar edema, blood volume decreases and blood pressure also decreases. The number of type 2 pneumocytes also decreases, which impairs the gaseous exchange between the alveoli and blood vessel. It causes hypoxemia.
Then the lungs are failed to work properly, so the patient cannot breathe. For the breathing problem, deficiency of oxygen in the body occur, which leads to the multi-organ failure, and ultimately the patient will die. At first, viral infection. A viral infection is systematic, means it spreads throughout the body.
In case of bacterial infection, it is usually localized, meaning it stays in one part of the body, such as the ear or throat.
Viral infection cannot be treated with antibiotics.
Bacterial infections can be treated with antibiotics. Emtricitabine and tenofovir. This combination is also used in HIV infection. Now it is in clinical trials, but the dosage form is not available in the market.
We have already known that hydroxychloroquine medication that have recently been making headlines as possible treatment for the COVID-19. You know why FDA chose this for COVID-19?
Basically, hydroxychloroquine is a medication first approved to treat malaria, an infection caused by a parasite. Recent in vitro studies have shown that hydroxychloroquine has antiviral properties against SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19.
In these studies, the medication worked by interfering with the chemical environment of human cell membranes. This medicine blocked the virus from entering and multiplying inside the cells. For this property, hydroxychloroquine is chosen as a medicine of COVID-19 by FDA.
Methylprednisolone is a category of drugs of corticosteroid. It under the clinical trials means the drugs is studying upon the human volunteer. It will be helpful for symptomatic relief.
Ritonavir and lopinavir. This combination of drug is already used in HIV infection and it is under the clinical trials for COVID-19. It stops the division of infection. The 2 weeks treatment is under the clinical trials. Another combination of drug treatment is also under the trials, that is ritonavir, ribavirin and lopinavir. These drugs are also being used in antiviral therapy like in hepatitis C and HIV. The 10-day treatment is under the clinical trials.
Exposing yourself to the sun or to the temperature higher than 25 degree does not prevent the COVID-19 disease infection.
Drinking alcohol does not protect you against COVID-19 and can be dangerous.
Taking a hot bath does not prevent the novel coronavirus.
The virus cannot be transmitted by mosquito bites.
For more PharmD related videos, case presentations, diseases, new inventions and discoveries in the pharma field, subscribe to our channel.
Promote us by hitting on the like and share button below. And also comment below and help us to know about your queries. Stay safe and stay happy, and please maintain the COVID-19 disease precaution and cooperate to destroy the coronavirus. Thank you.